Hi, my name's Euan. We're here at Curry Leaf Cafe in Kemptown. This one's a little bit different. It's open plan, so you can really see the chefs working, and it's also, the food comes out almost tapas style in small plates. Still very much in the Curry Leaf Cafe family in terms of the colour, the style of cooking, and most of all is the focus on street food and craft beer. That's absolutely at the core of who we are. Today we're going to be watching Chef Garanga while he prepares our pakoras, which we're super well known for. It's not one of those things that takes 30 spices and you have to cook them overnight. It really is very versatile, and it's just about using simple ingredients and making them really pop. Onion is the basis of every pakora. After that, it's up to you. We like the fennel seeds, that really gives it a lovely fresh flavour. And then maybe some chili flakes. And then essentially what you're doing is you're just getting the shredded vegetables, mixing it in with the spices, and then what you want is 60% chickpea flour and 40% rice flour. So that's it, Chef Garanga's finished his pakoras. These ones are just mixed vegetable pakoras. As I say, whatever's lying around in the kitchen. The main thing is serve it with something cold, something tasty. Maybe a dip, in this case we're giving mango chutney. That's really nice, there's a sweetness, goes with the crunch, earthiness of the vegetables, and a nice cold drink. India Pale Ale is probably your best bet, but if you prefer a Pilsner or something a little bit less strong in flavour, then enjoy.